Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to stop people from mentioning you on their Instagram stories. So if you don't like being mentioned on stories and you want to remove it completely, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Instagram app on a device. So if you have not installed the Instagram app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the Instagram app. And as you can see, this is the home page of Instagram, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the stories shared by people at the very upper taskbar. Now, to stop people from mentioning you on their Instagram stories, you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right. And from here, you just need to click on the option of three straight lines, which is also known as the menu button. So click on it. And from here, you just need to scroll down until you see the option of tags and mention. So click on the option of tags and mention, and here you will see the option which says allow tags from everyone, allow tags from people that you follow, or don't allow tags. So click on the option don't allow tag, and here you'll also see the option which says who can mention you. So allow mention from everyone, allow mention from people you follow, or don't allow mention. So click on the option don't allow mention, and by doing all of it, you'll be able to stop people from mentioning you on their Instagram stories. So that's it. That's how you can stop people mentioning you on their Instagram stories. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.